Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are jumping straight into Christmas magic because I am drawing Mariah Carey, the one, the only, the eternal Queen of Christmas, from that legendary scene in her music video, All I Want for Christmas Is You. So grab your cocoa, cozy up, and let's start with those iconic eyes. You know, the ones that look like they can summon snow just by blinking. Alright, let's begin with her eyes. They have that sparkle that says, yes, it's me, and yes, I own December. Once we catch that look, the rest is easy. And while I'm sketching, let's unwrap some truly wild, glitter-covered stories behind the most unstoppable Christmas song in history. Because trust me, this song has a past brighter than a shopping mall at midnight. Let's start with a little time travel. All I Want for Christmas Is You came out in 1994. The same year, The Lion King hit theaters and everyone was crying over Mufasa. But here's what's insane. Unlike most pop songs that vanish faster than a New Year's resolution, this one just won't die. Every single December, it claws its way back to the top of the Billboard charts like a festive zombie in a red dress. It's like Michael Myers, but make it jingle. It's not officially Christmas until someone plays this song in a supermarket and you suddenly feel guilty for not buying gifts yet. And then there's this, written in 15 minutes. Now, here's where it gets absurd. Mariah wrote this masterpiece in about 15 minutes. 15! That's less time than it takes to find matching wrapping paper and tape. She and producer Walter Afanasieff sat at a piano, tossed around ideas, and boom, Christmas history, 15 minutes. Some people spend more time deciding what to eat for lunch. Meanwhile, Mariah casually birthed a multi-million-dollar holiday empire before her coffee even got cold. Here's the strange science. Why people can't stop loving it. But why do people go feral for the song every December? Scientists actually studied it. Yes, actual lab coats, clipboards, graphs, the whole thing. They found it hits the nostalgia part of your brain, tricking you into instant holiday euphoria. Those sleigh bells release dopamine, the melody lights up serotonin, and when she hits those whistle notes, your neurons throw a Christmas party. Mariah basically created a legal, family-friendly musical drug, peppermint-flavored happiness. Meanwhile, the song almost didn't exist. What's even crazier, the record label didn't want it. They thought a Christmas song would ruin her cool pop image. They told her it was too early in her career for holiday music. But Mariah said, yeah, I'm doing it anyway. Thank Santa she didn't listen, because now every November 1st, she posts that It's Time video, the internet screams, and Christmas officially begins. The calendar doesn't start the holidays, Mariah does. Even Santa checks with her before leaving the North Pole. Next up, a homemade Christmas classic. Let's talk visuals. The original music video? Totally homemade. She directed it herself, shot on 16mm film, and wore that now iconic red Santa outfit. It looks cozy, messy, and pure, just like an actual family Christmas morning. She wanted it to feel nostalgic, and it absolutely nailed that vibe. No CGI, no filters, just twinkling lights and a lot of joy. And now that video has hundreds of millions of views. Proof that you don't need $1 million budget to make something timeless. Just a good coat and better hair. Here's the wild part, the money. Let's talk about the part that makes everyone gasp, the royalties. It's estimated that Mariah Carey earns more than $2.5 million every single year. $2.5 million. That means Mariah gets paid while you're unwrapping socks. Over the decades, she's made somewhere around $80 million from this one song. So basically, she makes more in December than most people do in their lifetime. Forget stocks, forget crypto, the real investment strategy is write one perfect Christmas song and chill. But wait, the internet turned it into a meme. Now, thanks to the internet, Mariah Carey officially defrosts every November 1st. People post videos of her frozen in ice, slowly waking up to sing again. And she totally embraces it. Every Halloween night, she posts herself smashing through ice or snow, announcing it's time. And that's it. Holiday season starts. The calendar doesn't start the holidays, Mariah does. Even Santa checks with her before leaving the North Pole. And speaking of drama, the lawsuit. Now for a bit of chaos, in 2022, a songwriter sued Mariah Carey, claiming he had written a song called All I Want for Christmas Is You years before hers. He wanted $20 million. The world collectively said, "Sir, sit down. There are only so many ways to want someone for Christmas." The case got dropped, but the memes were glorious. The internet turned it into a holiday soap opera. Lesson learned, don't mess with Mariah. She's richer, more beloved, and probably has a team of elves with law degrees. Now here's a cool one. World records. Mariah Carey doesn't just own December. She literally holds Guinness World Records for it. 3 of them to be exact. She's got the highest charting holiday song by a solo artist, the most streamed track on Spotify in 24 hours back in 2019, and the longest time for a song to reach #1 after release, 25 years later. 25 years. Most singers peak once. Mariah peaks every Christmas. She's basically the holiday version of Thanos. Every year she snaps her fingers and dominates again. And finally, the empire she built. And now we reach the crown jewel. This song didn't just make her rich, it built an empire. She's got Christmas tours, TV specials, clothing lines, perfumes, even partnerships that revolve entirely around this song. Every December, she performs it live in a sparkling red gown with snow machines, choirs, and the same perfect whistle notes. It's a ritual. Fans cry, sing, and buy way too many decorations after hearing it. Mariah Carey didn't just write a song. She created a universe, an entire festive ecosystem powered by high notes and nostalgia. And look at that! Our portrait is done. Mariah Carey in all her Christmas glory. Eyes sparkling like tinsel, smile that says, yes, I own December. You can almost hear the bells ringing just by looking at it. This drawing might not make me millions, but it definitely brings that holiday glow. Thanks for hanging out and learning all these ridiculous but true facts with me. If you had fun, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your all-time favorite Christmas song? Until next time, stay cozy, stay jolly, and remember, all we want for Christmas is more fun videos like this.